Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to increase Cash App loan limits. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Cash App and tap on Money or Banking icon at bottom left corner. Here, go to the Borrow section. If your account is eligible, you'll be able to see your current borrowing limit. If you tap on Borrow Limit, you will see this screen. Keep in mind that Cash App determines your borrowing limit based on several factors. These may include your repayment history, your Cash App account activity, how much money you regularly deposit into your account, and how long you've been using Cash App. One of the best ways to improve your borrowing limit is to borrow responsibly and repay your loans on time. Making your payments by the due date or even repaying your loan early can help build a positive repayment history. It's also a good idea to regularly use your Cash App account. Receiving direct deposits, keeping money in your Cash App balance, and actively using Cash App's features may improve your account standing over time. As Cash App reviews your account activity, it may automatically increase your borrowing limit if you continue to meet its eligibility requirements. There is no manual request option to increase your limit, so the process is handled automatically based on your account. And that's it. So that's basically how you can increase Cash App loan limits. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.